Hey everybody, this is Brendan with Business for Chummies. In this quick video, we're going to be taking a look at how to combine columns into a single column. There's a couple ways to do this, and we're going to be showing you 3 different ways. So I've got an example sales data sheet here, and in our example, we're going to be combining column D and column E into a single column. So first I'll go ahead and create a new blank column. And the first way we're going to talk about is by using a simple formula. So in column F, I'm going to put the equal sign. I'm going to then reference my value in D2. I'm going to use the ampersand sign, not the plus sign, and then I'll reference my value in E2 and hit enter. And you notice what that did is it took those 2 cell values and put them right next to each other. But that doesn't look good. I want to be able to space these apart or even use a delimiter if I need to. So in my formula, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a space by putting in quotations, a space, and then another ampersand sign. So what this is doing is saying take the value from D2 and add a space and add the value of E2. There we go. So that gives us a nice way to separate these two. And in this text string, you can do whatever you want. You could put a dash if you needed to get those values separated with any kind of delimiter that you want. I'm going to add another here. The next function that allows you to combine is the concat function, the concatenate function. Very similar. I'm going to hit equals concat. And it's asking for the first value and then a comma and the second value. And then I'll close that and hit enter. Again, you can see the issue here that it took those 2 values and just stuck them right next to each other. So in the concat function, you add another comma separated value, that same space in between. So I'll do D2 comma, I'll add my space in quotations and then a comma E2. And that'll get us those values with a space delimiter. And the last one we have here is going to be using the text join. I'm going to hit equals text join. And in the text join function, it asks for your delimiter up front. So this is typically used when you're combining values, multiple values, usually from rows that you want to separate by a specific delimiter. So in our example, again, I'm going to go ahead and put a quotation, a space, another quotation, comma, and it's saying if one of the cells that you're going to reference is empty, do you want to ignore that cell? And I'll say yes. And then it's asking for the value of text1. So again, D2, comma, D3, or E2, excuse me. And then I'll close my function and hit enter. And here we have it again. The values from column D and column E have now been combined. All right, nice quick tutorial. Hope you learned something, had some fun. Don't forget to follow Business for Chummies and subscribe to our channel for other great videos.